We are going to look at how to short stocks using the Binance exchange. A lot of you are busy using Momo, using your app, using all those stuff that you use to trade, but majority don't know that you can actually do this using the BYBIT, and most especially if you are crypto inclined, because this channel is for stocks and crypto. And for now, we'll just give you more details concerning stocks. And if you look at your Binance app, if you log into your Binance app, you will see this section here, TradeFi, which is traditional finance. That is where you get the numbers and the list of all the stocks that you can actually long and you can actually short. Therefore, you can make money using this particular platform, which is the BYBIT. And just in case you don't have an account, you can check the description and take my referral code. You just have to download the app, or you log in into your browser on your laptop. Then you put the code and you get registered. Then you can fund your account and then you start making money. That is all I'm going to be discussing in today's video, and we're going to look at the S&P 500. I know I'm supposed to drop a video on a particular stock. The stock has started going up, and I also have to create a community for you guys, so everything is going to work out accordingly. So we're just taking it one step at a time, because I just checked the stock. The stock is still at single digits, and I just hope when I'll be doing that video, it will not be double digit. But if you really want to get it right now, you can send me a private message and reach out so that I can give you the stock so that you buy early. Then before I do my analysis, maybe in 2 days time or tomorrow. So without wasting time, my name still remains Uncle Joe, and you are welcome to the Stock Up Nation. So here we discuss on how to get money through stocks, dividends, and crypto. So you get tips on how to invest. So just in case you're just joining us, we have a lot of videos. This video actually gave a lot of investors good money. We can come here and check the stock so that you can know what I'm talking about. The stock actually made close to, maybe we should have hit 100%. But it got to our take profit level, which was take profit 3, and that is around the stock actually got to 198. So I think 198 is a good profit. So that is just about this video here. And you can look at others for the defense stock. You can look at update, and I talk about SoFi also. Then I also update the market, how the market is currently doing. So today we're going to look at some stocks. Those stocks are stocks that we'll get from BYBIT. So come here and click TradeFi. Like I said, TradeFi gives you stocks that you get from traditional finance. So right here you can see we have top gainers. So let's come to all. So you can literally trade so many things you can trade, and all you need to do to get started is to use your P2P. You convert your dollar to USDT, or you convert your naira to USDT. And once you've done that conversion, what you need to do next is to convert within the app. So you want to convert your USDT to another currency. Let's do that conversion. Let's do that conversion. So this is the conversion here. I'll just show you how to do it sharply so that you can understand how to go about it. So this is where we are. So once you convert your US dollar, or you convert your naira to USDT, is going to be showing here. So you want to convert it, you click this area here, then you come here and put USD. Okay, let's get the actual stable coin that we are using. So you come to you come to market. So once you come to market, you come to all, which is the trade. Okay, we've not clicked TradeFi. You click TradeFi. TradeFi means traditional finance. So you can see these are for those who are interested in forex. So you can actually trade forex in this area. So we have cocoa also. You can trade cocoa. You can trade coffee. You can trade copper. So just in case you have insights, all these commodities are about to move, you can come. We have gasoline, gas oil, we have gas, we have cotton, we also have natural gas, we have soya beans, we have sugar, we have WT. So for example, If you are looking at crude trade, so these are areas you can come and trade it. A lot of people are saying they don't know how to buy oil and all that. You have it here, so you have to do it. Okay, let's quickly look at stocks. So for stocks, you can see Tesla. Tesla is currently doing 0.54. And we have Intel, we have Nvidia, we have Microsoft. So let's say we want to buy Tesla. Let's say we want to buy Tesla. Let's come here and click trade Tesla. So I'm just doing it so that you can see the yes, confirm. So you just click next, 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 next. Okay, great. So we are currently in the right place where we're going to trade. So what you want to do is, you can see we have the buy, we have the sell. So whatever you want to do, you are going to actually get what you want to get here. For example, if you do your analysis properly, either long term or short term, and you think Tesla is a good buy, all you need to do is to put the value of Tesla that you want. Let's say you want 100. So okay, let's say you want 10, you're going to do it. So you're going to do it, then you put your lot here. So if you need 1,000 units, you are going to do it. You can see how the value increase. So what the stable coin we are going to convert to. So from here, you can know how to actually do your trade. If you are buying, you buy. If you are buying with market order, if you want to buy with trigger, you come here and click trigger. So you have to put your price here. Let's say you want to buy at 377. So you can come here and say you need 1 unit. So you can see this is the cost. Then I click buy. So that is it. Then you can also sell also. So it's two side. So you just have to come to this place and you click your trading portal, which is very, very key. We have sports, we have the margin. Of course, I'll look for time to do a tutorial where we can actually master this platform, because you can use it to also trade option also. You can trade option, and you can also explore other opportunities. So let's quickly go to portal. You click your portal. So once you click the trading portal, it's going to bring you to this place. So you want to click trade derivatives, because what you're dealing with is actually CFD. So you are not going to get dividends in CFD. It's contract for difference. You are only getting paid for the difference in your prediction. So, and that is why we are here. We are not here. Right now, they've listed Google. Interesting. So traditional finance is actually doing a lot of things. So once you are here, what you want to do is to come up here and click this area here. You click this area that looks like burger. So you click the menu, then you now come to this place. You now see TradFi. So TradFi, which is traditional finance, is where you are going to. So you can see most of these stocks. So for example, let's look at we have Netflix. Okay, let's look at Netflix, for example. Let's look at Netflix. That's Netflix. So let's jump to Google and let's type Netflix. So this is Netflix. So Netflix is actually closed negative, but after market hour started shooting up, and we're looking at the longer time frame. So let's look at Tesla. So this is Tesla. Let's look at what Tesla is doing. So Tesla right now was going up, then after market hour actually pull back. So you can say, let's quickly move to daily chart so that we'll know what we are doing is for a long time. Let's not work with weekly chart. Okay, so with these, if you think Tesla is going to fall further, let's assume you are looking at Tesla that is going to fall further. Let's just do some sharp analysis here. So you are looking at Tesla coming to this area here. Okay, so this is the target. You're targeting 348. That is going to fall to 348. So you come here and pick your short position, and we are picking at the current market price, which is 378. Of course, aftermarket is 377. Okay. Okay. So what you want to do now, the price here is actually 378. And why we are having 377 after the close of market. So you jump to this place and you come here and you pick TradFi, then you want to pick Tesla. So it's going to bring chart for Tesla. So this is Tesla. So acknowledge. So this is Tesla. And don't forget we've done our analysis using Trading View. Of course, this is Trading View too, but inside the BYBIT section. So now we're going to, this is the stable coin, which is the USDX. So right now we're going to click plus. We're going to click plus. So we're going to transfer fund from our account, funding account, no money there. I'll switch it to unified trading account. So you can see unified trading account is giving me 43 USDT. So I want to move it to TradeFi here. So I'll select, so I'll click all. Okay, I'll click all. Then I'll confirm. So our money is now showing. You can see we've converted 43 USDT to 43.38 USDX. So that is what you use when you want to trade this. And don't forget, we say the price is going to come down. That is what we are predicting, that the price will fall off. So we'll come and click trigger, and we'll come here and click trigger price. We are looking at, let's buy at the current price. We're looking at 377.21. So that's what we are looking at. So we want to sell. So let's just put 27. Okay, we'll make the adjustment when we are ready. So quantity, we'll put 0. Let's put 0.1. Let's see. Okay, 0.1 slot. So we are currently using 37 USDX of our stable coin. So that's what we are using, and this is the price we're buying. So it's actually 328 now. So I'll come here and click it to 328. So we'll come here and then set our take profit and stop loss. So here we'll say let's click it. So let's work with, okay, our stop loss should be, okay, our stop loss will be 380. So we'll come here. So take profit, let's check our take profit. So let's take our profit around here. That's 365. So we'll come here, take profit 365. This profit is small. Why is it small? Am I supposed to use margin? Okay, let's just play safe. So take profit is 365, then stop loss is 380. So stop loss is 380. Okay, let's say it will fall further to 300. So take profit is this, but let's come back here and check where 300 is. No, let's work with what is realistic. So 365. I know it is small, but just for you to know how it works. Once you know how it works, you can increase your holding. So we are taking profit at 365. At 365. Stop loss 380. Confirm. So we've confirmed. I will click sell. Okay, you can see here order submit successfully. So if you check below here, you will see our profit has started reading. You can see we are currently at a loss. We are currently at a loss because right now you can see we are currently at a loss. But very soon we'll launch into profit right now because the price is coming down as we expect. So you can see our free margin. So definitely we didn't even use much in the trade. So you can see our free margin. So just want you guys to understand how it works. So this is how you trade the traditional finance. This is how you trade the traditional market. This is how you trade. In case you don't have access to platform that allow you to short or allow you to trade options with traditional with stocks and maybe the oil or commodity. So you can actually look at BYBIT. BYBIT is one platform that will give you access to all of these particular stocks. Like I have said, so this is it. You can see we have Intel, we have Nvidia, we have Microsoft, we have Google, we have Amazon, we have Exxon. So they just brought in the most popular stocks. We have Apple, we have Meta, we have Boeing, we have IBM, we have JP Morgan, we have SNDK, we have Pfizer, we have Target, and we have a whole lot of them. So that is how you trade your traditional finance, the likes. That's how you trade the stocks. So you can see order direction is sell, and the entry price is $377.30. Then current price is 377.77. So you can see lot size it's 0.1, and currently unrealized profit is currently negative 0.04. Then here we have the value that we actually use in trading. So you can see what we have here. So this is our take profit, and this other area is our stop loss. So we can come here and close it. But I'm not going to close it. I'm going to allow it run, and so that we can see how it's working. So right now you can see. So our trade is actually working fine. So as the price is coming down, gradually, maybe very soon, we'll be doing this on a live video like this on YouTube. I'll be trading live together, so that I'm taking my position, you also be taking your position also. So I just want to share with you that in case you are looking at these opportunities, maybe market is falling and you are saying, you miss opportunity. I just jump here to do this research. I said there must be a way on how you can actually short some of these stocks, and luckily BYBIT is offering that service, and I think is a good one. Is a good one from BYBIT. Kudos to the team. They are actually making giving us opportunity, or giving us ways, different ways to actually make money. So current price is not reflecting as we are seeing it on the chart. So seeing on the chart, but I think maybe it's a bit slow. Maybe it's a bit slow because it's still showing, current price is showing 377.67. So if you are using good money, you make good money. You understand? I just show you how it works. So if you are using good money, you make good money. So for this we are using just 37 USDX. Yes, that's the stable coin we are using, USDS, and you can see the price is dropping as we predict. We are looking at the 30 minutes time frame right now. It's currently trading at $377.11. So, but it's not reflecting as supposed in this area here. So it's a bit slow, but the bottom line is following the direction. That's the bottom line. You can see it's reducing. It shows that it's following the direction. So anyway, I just said let me jump to your face to show you how to actually navigate the platform. Don't forget, there's a lot of futures. Just all you need to do is to come to trade, and you go to trade portal, and it will bring you to a page like this. Then you click here. Once you click here, you'll be able to access different markets. For us, we are looking at the traditional finance, and if you come here, you can pick a whole lot of stocks to trade with. And once you're able to know what you're doing, you continue to print money. And also, you can also trade China 50. You can trade Dow Jones, and you can also do NAS 100. You can do S&P 500. Interesting thing, guys. You can do S&P 500, and you can also do UK 100. So a lot in this place, a lot. So these are the two areas. Yeah. We also have meta. You can do meta. You can do stocks. You can do commodity. So you can do commodity, and we have some that are recommended. So for commodity, I beg your pardon. You have the likes of cocoa. We have the likes of coffee, copper, and the rest. You can also trade forex. Also, like today, I open a forex position. I actually trade AUD USD. Let's see. Okay, this is it here. AUD USD. Definitely, I should be in profit right now. I don't want to check it so that the video will not be too long. So this is just how you do your game. So these are opportunities. And in case you also want to do option, you can see you can do option. You can do option chain. You can do contract details also. You can see you can know what you are doing. So guys, thank you so much for watching. In case you are still watching to this point, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified of my posts and reaching videos like this. Just a recap. I logged in through. I just scanned my app. I have the BYBIT app on my phone. I came to the registration page, and I click login. From login, I click QR code, and I scan the code, and guess what? It logged me in, and I'm currently in the market. So once you're in the market, you click trading portal. So once you trading portal, it will bring you to this place. Then you choose the particular stocks you want to trade. So for this is for tutorial purpose. You just want to place a trade so that you see how it works. Right now, you see our unrealized profit has increased, and also you can see. So definitely, it's working fine. If you're buying the same way, it's going to operate also. And I guess it's a bit slow because the market is not open yet. So that is why you're seeing that slow movement. So what we are doing, we are trading post market, but of course, everything is set. Stop loss is intact, and everything is moving fine. So you can see how it's affecting the free margin. Yeah. So when I want to convert, I just come here and click plus. Once I click plus, I move from whatever account you're having it. If you buy from P2P, it will be reflecting on funding. But if you have moved it to unified trading, where you use it to buy and sell, it will be available there. Yeah, then all you need to do to change this area to TradeFi. So once you put it to TradeFi, then you click all, then you convert from USDT to USDX. That is how we roll. So thank you once more. And in case you have any question, don't forget to drop the question in the comment section, and I will do well to provide answers to your question. So thank you once more, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that we get notified to my posts and reaching videos like this. Until I come away again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you all, my friends, and there is nothing you can do about it. Hands towards salute. See you in the next one. And don't forget to trade and prosper. Bye.